how to do screen recording using Loom AI. Okay? As you know, guys, Loom AI is the best screen recording for all your content and for anything that you'd want. We begin with clicking on Loom. Okay, let's go back. This is my Loom app, which is here, and I will click on it. Okay, then I will go back and say, of course, these are my folders, but I will click down here, and when I click down here, I will say screen recording. Okay, there's camera recording, there is also audio recording, but this time we can go for audio recording. Definitely we can on screen recording. So in this case, we're looking at screen recording. Okay, so when we're doing screen recording, we come in here and we do this, and then when we go this here, this is our screen. Okay, so you can go down and look for what you want to on your screen recording. So I am recording my screen like I'm here on my calculator. I can 150 times 350, 363. You're able to get all that amount, or maybe whatsoever that you want to see. I'm just showing you this on how best to do our recording. We can go to the voice memos and maybe look at the voice memos, go back and also do our compass, maybe look at our compass, do this, everything you're doing on your screen. So I'm showing you how best we can do screen recording using Loom AI. And guess what, guys? Loom AI is our best screen recording. Very HD videos, very clear audio, everything is very, very perfect. And I see and I know that you are well conversant with whatever you want. So in this case, I am doing my screen recording. I believe that you're able to see that this is an amazing AI tool that can help you do your screen recording. Okay, so anything you'd want, anything you want to see. Now I'm in my videos here. After you recording videos, definitely they will all be saving right here. So you save right here, you go back in your folders and then get your videos right here. After this, we are able to save our videos here and you're getting them again. See, this is my video that I recorded, a while ago, and this is where I can get my video. I can also go ahead and click here, download. I can edit, I can download, I can copy and even share anywhere that would want to share, on WhatsApp, on YouTube, everywhere you would want to share again. So this is one of my videos. I can also show you the one of our other videos that I also recorded a while ago. So I'm going to show you that all these videos are right here. So when you want to save your data, just click on down, then you download it and save it on your camera roll and get your video to anywhere that you would wish. So we have the settings here. You can, support, you can have the notifications, you can have the recording settings, recording countdown. You can always have a 3-second countdown before you start your recording. And then you have your account here. You can log out, you can, do anything that you so wish or want. You can click in here and look at how the notifications are on this side. Then you can click here to get your library of the videos you have already recorded or recorded some time a while ago. And then you can go here and see, on the home page where also recordings are well showed right here. So we have the watch later. If you have the watch later, videos, you have the history as well. So everything that you need with Loom AI, you're able to have one of the best screen recording with Loom AI. So thank you so much, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video to whoever would want also to know more information about this. Thank you so much, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And this is Knowledge once again.